Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will review 5 fragrances from the brand Kannauj Perfumery. Kannauj Perfumery is an Indian brand which makes natural perfumes. It is a joint venture between Project Perfumery and India Perfumers. I will not spray these fragrances now as I don't want to make this a long video. I have already applied and tested them thoroughly last week and I will give you my honest opinion of these 5 fragrances. By the way, these are all masculine scents. So, let's start. The first fragrance is called Trifecta Lotus. The company's website says that this is an all-natural blend of blue lotus, pink lotus and white lotus, and it has some aroma balancers to fine-tune the fragrance. There are very few fragrances in the market which concentrate on the lotus note. One famous perfume which has a prominent lotus note is Nautica Voyage, a top-selling budget fragrance. But that one is synthetic, this is natural. When I tested this one, I found that it smells not only like lotuses, but also some saffron and rose. It smells spicy, floral and watery. Smells soothing as well as rich. Like you are in a very rich Dubai mall. You can wear it in the parties as well as family occasion, puja, etc. In the dry down, the smell of lotus vanishes and it smells like spicy Chawan Bahar with just a hint of sweetness. The projection is good and it lasted 9 to 10 hours on my skin. This is a crowd pleaser for sure. It is one of my favorites of the lot, along with Indian Summer and Honey Oud. But that's my nose. I like sweeter scents, but not sugary sweet. You might like floral or smoky or animalic scents. You have those two in the series. So basically this series has something for everyone. You will come to know about them as the review progresses. The second one is Trifecta Lotus Oud. The company's website says that this is an all-natural blend of blue lotus, pink lotus, white lotus, Indian agar and some aroma balancers to fine-tune the fragrance. So it is basically the same composition as the first one, Trifecta Lotus, with the addition of Indian agar or Hindi Oud, which adds a bit of smokiness to the original formula. This smells almost like Trifecta Lotus, but little toned down. The sweetness and richness is not too much. It is perfectly balanced. I like this one as well, but I prefer the first one. If you like a balanced blend, then you should go for this. But if you like little sweeter scents like me, then go for the first one. The third one is called the Indian Summer. Official notes mentioned are vetiver, which is called khas in India, geranium, cedarwood, patchouli, cardamom, cinnamon, nutmeg, cypress, leather, frankincense, bergamot, lemon, ambrette, oak moss and eucalyptus. In the beginning, this one smells like bergamot, vetiver and cypress. A very good smelling freshie. I get some sweet Chawan Bahar type smell also, like Trifecta Lotus. I think this sweetness is due to the combination of patchouli, geranium and nutmeg. After 3 to 4 hours, the freshness starts fading away and you are left with the sweet spicy dry down. It smells very similar to Majmua by Niche, but richer. I had described Majmua as how an Indian village would smell in the summer. I will provide the link to its review somewhere on the screen. The Indian Summer is how a traditional Indian city would smell in summer. Projection is insane for the first 5 to 6 hours. After that, it starts declining. It lasted 22 hours on my skin. Beware of the olfactive fatigue though, because it did give me olfactive fatigue, but it was present throughout the duration. The fourth one is called Kohinoor Oud. Official notes mentioned are oud, ambrette, white musk, tonka bean, jasmine, rose, tolu balsam, ambroxan. In the beginning, it smells like a little toned down rose, jasmine and musk. After 5 minutes, oud starts coming, but oud is very less, so it is very much bearable. But the smell becomes softer. After 15 minutes, Ambroxan starts to come in with a little tonka bean as well as sandalwood. Then it starts smelling even better. It is a very well blended scent, and it is very difficult to pick out individual notes in this one. It is a very Middle East type of scent and very crowd pleaser as well. The sillage is reasonable, not beast mode, and it lasted 7 hours on my skin. After that, it was barely noticeable. But surprisingly, the next day when I woke up, I could smell it again from arm's length. And this was after around 20 hours of application. The fifth and the last one is called Mushk Oud. The company's website says that mushk means leather wallet bags. Mushk Oud has been aged in traditional leather vessels made from camel skin, which is an ancient technique to achieve leather note naturally. Apart from that, Mushk Oud deploys use of hand-distilled oud from Assam and Trinity musk base consisting of deer musk, civet musk and castoreum to give you an ultimate masculine and soul awakening blend. Official notes mentioned are Trinity musk, leather, ambrette, birch, saffron, pink pepper, benzoin, Hindi oud, Sri Lankan oud, Indian incense, ambergris, labdanum, myrrh, patchouli, sandalwood, rum accord, nutmeg, tuberose, jasmine sambac and typhus. In the beginning, it smells predominantly like saffron and nutmeg, but you get little animalic notes as well. It is very well balanced at the start, not too skanky. The spices are amped up and that balances the skankiness. In the air, it smells like spicy saffron, not animalic at all. After 15 minutes, it starts smelling 50% animalic and 50% spicy. That's pretty much the dry down. Sillage is huge. My room was filled with its aroma, even though I used just one spray. This is the longest lasting perfume in the entire Kannauj Perfumery series. It lasted 30 hours on my skin. Yes, you heard it right. 30 hours. After that, I washed it off. So technically speaking, it lasted more than 30 hours on my skin. So guys, that concludes my review. There are some more varieties in this series which I have with me, but I won't review them right now because they are all sold out. So once the new stock comes back, I will review those as well in a future video. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe. Bye.